open. Hello, this is a bacon story. Like as I told you last time, I told you I was going to be on the top. But you know, I'm going to get out of the story. So, as I was saying, this is the bacon. Let him talk and tell you the story. Hi, I'm the bacon. You know, I do really love being on here because, you know, I'm alone. And this stove is awesome. So here, let me sing you a song to understand me. Bacon on the stove, yo, bacon on the stove. Sizzling on a pan, sizzle, 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 yo. Sizzle on a pan, sizzling, yo. If I found another bacon in me, I'm just gonna have to throw. Yo, yo. Sizzle, 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 bacon on the stove. Sizzle, 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 sizzle on a pan. Sizzle, 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 yo. Watch me, yo. This is the best show, yo. Thank you. This is the best show. Subscribe.